Kabor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Ka District Disaster Management Authority harungkat kajing itray lang bat giborsan syar jongka East Khasi Hills District. Haka arpu Khyndai tarik urisau arajar arpusan kala penlong ya kajing lek kai drama ha muda kompleks Khyndai lat bat ha Don Bosco Square Light Mukra ban ajing Hikai syaki Paidbah Kumno ban ajing yarap bat ban Ïada Lada wan kajing Khynñiuh Jumai ha gano kapor. Ya gani kajing lek kai drama lai shimentarik samla pule jong school ba Martin Luther Christian University Shillong. Kajing pelong ya gani ke drama kalong ru kum shimenta ban ai kajing Hikai ki Paidbah nong shong shnong ba Khyndai ban shukhan sting haba wan kajing Khynñiuh Jumai nrei gidei ban da pikir bha bat ban tip kumno ban ri syagi jaka ki basngan khnang ban light na gino kajing mensau.
In Shillong. So I smile, but deep down I wonder, are we ever truly safe? Because the thing about disaster is they don't announce their arrival. They come quietly, swiftly, and they test who's ready and who's not. As the days goes by, 2 or 3 days later, the ground softly rumbled. Where is children screaming. You check for breathing, listening or feel, and tap the person's shoulder.
The city of clouds and quiet hills, the air smells of light, and the laughter of friends fills the park. Snowbha and her friends just returned from the outdoor metro training, and we're discussing about how the training is not so important because there won't be any earthquakes in Shillong. No one is worried, no one is afraid because when life feels peaceful, danger feels impossible.
Training if any bingilit ni benta. Ni ngam sko da jing toy ngam da jing mod ro bon ki tau Jumai ba he but like kam dan jing toy khan ya ru. Hot ken mo. Em phi ngim la ki ban ong ta. Habang iyo khanang mani ga training bi nyara bi wai em yem la ban ong tang bakari khasi jingi kam jia kita ki Jumai ne kita ki landslide ne. Ni hapan pan khlek kan nyara de kam de la. Ni phi quang ngit si kita ngat dengan som dan jing mentoy pin.
Kumpahi kan kibru menta ki pakhar beteng hata ki am bakam JIA pada ka cia pan ile kumno ni hapan prepare lupa em takada ka training ni ro bagi prepare lupa bagi long safe kan yal de
Dawn and who's not. Days went by peacefully for the next 2 or 3 days, but later the answer came. As they were walking to attend their training, the ground started shaking and rumbling with pure rumbling, lights flickering, people panicking. Everyone drop, cover, and hold on. The crouching, rumbling continues, crashing sounds screams. In a heartbeat, our laughter turned to screams. The ground shook with fury. Building cracked open like paper. People ran, cried, prayed. Chaos swallowed the city, and then silence. The doctors fed. This is where the rescue begins. Victim lies scattered around everywhere. The rescuer springs into action. They find people not breathing, people having no pulse, some starting kneeling behind the victim, starting compressions. After a few cycles, trying to make everyone feel safe and secure, placing them on recovery position.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Was around. No professional, no medics, just us. People helping civilians. Rescuers team helping and supporting.
Sorry, Shy.
By using 2 poles and a blanket or a bed sheet. You can carry a person using this improvised stretcher for safety.
With 2 fingers measuring above the xiphoid process, then place the heel of the palm on the center of the person's chest, then place the other hand on the top and press down 30 times compression. Before giving the CPR, she asked the consent. Then tap the person on the shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" Call 108 for assistance. Doing the process of look, listen, feel. If the casualty does not give any response, check the breathing from the carotid pulse. Then with 2 fingers, clear the airways. Right now she's giving mouth-to-mouth respiration.
Before giving our mouth-to-mouth respiration, we need to make sure that we have a handkerchief in hand.
After checking the pulse, if the casualty does not give any response yet, continue the process.
A sigh of relief. He's back. He's breathing. Placing him on his side recovery position, they place him on the improvised stretcher, taking him to the medical relief camp. Let's all remember, 1 breath restore, 1 life save. That's the power of knowledge and courage. The team adjusts and are ready to carry the person on the stretcher to the relief camp.
1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3.
Incredible works. You stabilize them before we arrive.
And that's what makes a difference. In a disaster, every second counts. So good job, everyone.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way Nipishat ruti shat kiek mat kiwe nakabenta ka koi kakya jonggi Paidbah nong bam nong di. Paidbah Khynñiuh ka jing shania naki pidon kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala itu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henriu link ba ka section lai puwe iwe kamde ka ba Khynñiuh ka license pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ko pihap pan upload ru tegi kod kisla badan kam kat kum gajat jingkam jongpi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jongu lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is Khynñiuh pila ban letbet syak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra syapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat bala kershan daga food safety and standards authority of India